Hi everybody, this is Bob Maxwell with Ram Manufacturing Equipment over here in Corona, California, and I want to show you a little demo about a machine that we have called our Ram SCD-300. And I designed this machine back in about 2008. We were selling a lot of dicers, but some people didn't need the high volume of, like, for example, our MHS Model 850-90 does about 12 to 1,500 pounds an hour. A lot of customers didn't need that. So I designed this machine. It does maybe 300 to 400 pounds an hour. And so this is a great starter from going from hand dicing or hand strip cutting to automation. A couple of features about the machine. You have this is the infeed conveyor. This is the infeed cover so that person's hand can't get to the blades. We do have two safeties. So when this guard is lifted up, we have a safety here and the machine will shut off. So we're running the machine, somebody lifts the guard up and the machine stops. Closes it, the machine starts. Then we also have a second safety. And that safety is if you lift this guard up, there's a sensor here. All right, so there's no way that the operator will be able to lift this up and the machine to continue to run. Also, on this side, we have a couple of wing nuts that you unscrew. There's a support that drops down and then allows this carriage to slide right out. Originally, we used to put these blades in ourselves, but these blades are so sharp, these disc blades are so sharp that they'll cut you. So we came up with this replaceable carriage. So if you want to go, this is set at 1/4 inch. If you want to go at 1/2 inch, you just loosen these two wing nuts over here. This slides out and you slide in the 1/2 inch carriage. So very simple, very, very safe. We have a toggle switch here. So if you want to move the product through, you would lift it up and it goes in a forward motion. And then if something gets stuck or it's not going in at the right angle, then you have a reverse and it backs the product back up again. So the power on this is 220 single phase. So it can be used in any operation as long as you have a power switch for your lights or your regular plugs. You can plug this machine in. So now we're going to go ahead and run some product. Okay, now we're going to be doing slicing or strip cutting these chicken breasts, and the grid set is set up, or the blade set is set up at 3/4 inch. So again, you just flip the toggle up. Chicken's going through the series of disc blades. And then here comes your 3/4 inch strips. So you can see how nice that breast. This would be great for like chicken nuggets, products like that. You have to trim a little bit of the fat off. But you can see how nice and uniform. So you got fat here. Nice uniform. Beautiful piece. Make great chicken cutlets once it's stripped like this. So this is at 3/4 inch strip cut. Okay. Now we have our chicken breasts that we just strip cut to 3/4 inch, and now we're going to go ahead and turn our switch on, our forward switch on, and now we're going to bring these through and we're going to dice them. Right now it's going through the set of the blades. And here comes our diced cubes. You have to remember that it's not, any kind of protein is not exact. It moves, and some are thicker pieces than others. But you can see how much time you would save with this machine. Some of these pieces are still stuck together because of the fat. But that gives you a nice, simple 3/4 inch dice. So just to summarize, this is our model SCD-300. That's model SCD-300. It's a strip cutter and a dicer. It's a RAM model, and it's got a 1-year warranty on all non-wearable parts. We just did chicken and beef today in our demos, but you can do vegetables with it. There's a lot of other products that you can do with this. So it's a great intermediate machine, a first step from going from manual slicing into some sort of automation at a really great price. So give us a call here at RAM at 951-734-8152. and we'll be able to answer all your questions. Thank you. Have a blessed day.